In this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple ID in the App Store. Whether you want to switch accounts, log into a different one, or fix an old email, this is for you. Let's jump right in. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then scroll down and tap your Apple ID profile at the top. That's your name or Apple ID email. Now tap Sign Out at the bottom of the screen. You'll be asked if you want to keep copies of apps and media on your phone. Leave that checked unless you want to remove them. Once signed out, go back to the App Store and try to download a free app. You'll be prompted to sign in with an Apple ID. Tap that, then enter the Apple ID and password you want to use now. That's it. The App Store will now use your new Apple ID for downloads, purchases, and iCloud sync. Quick tip: if you're using family sharing or subscriptions, make sure they're set up under the new account so you don't lose access. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. See you next time.